Hey, did you know that arigato means thank you in Japanese? Yeah, it's like a magical word that brings miracles. That's awesome! Let's learn the magic arigato phrase today. Are you ready? Let's begin! 土ありがとう Thank you, soil. 土ありがとう Soil isn't just dirt. It's super important in our everyday lives. Most of our food comes from soil. Did you know it takes up to 1,000 years to form just 1 centimeter of soil? That's a lot of time. Thanks to rocks, old plants and animals, plus air and water, we get this amazing soil that helps us live and grow. In Japanese, soil is called 土. 土. Naomi is digging in the soil. What did she find?
じゃがいも。
じゃがいも Potato. That's a big potato. Big in Japanese is 大きい。大きい。
大きいじゃがいも。
Small in Japanese is 小さい。小さい。
小さいじゃがいも。
She dug up many potatoes thanks to soil that helped potatoes grow.
土ありがとう。
土ありがとう Thank you, soil. 土ありがとう
ありがとうマジック。